Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am 𝐂𝐿𝐿. It's so nice to meet you and have you here. In this video, we're going to be doing our hair together because I haven't done my hair with you guys in a while. As you guys read by the title and you see my hair, which is so beautiful. I did mini twist and I'm super excited to show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. I use hair from QVR Hair. I'll have all of the details linked down below. I always love the quality of QVR Hair. Like, their hair is 100% human hair. This hair feels super lightweight on my hair, but without further ado, let's hop into this video. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. This process, as you guys know, mini twist is super tedious. It's a very time consuming and you have to have a lot of patience when you're doing this hairstyle because you have to spend hours on top of hours in order to receive a beautiful hairstyle. As you guys heard from the intro, I'll be using QVR Hair. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with the time. It's currently 1 o'clock. I should be finished by 12 a.m. For the back of my hair, I normally don't care to part my hair. I don't care for neat parts in the back. The back has nothing to do with me, and so to save time, I'm just going to free part my hair with my hands. And then for the front though, I'll be actually making my parts neat, and I'll be going in with my shining gem to make the part neat and sleek and all of the good things. But when it comes to the back, I really don't care about the back. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I already started off one twist off camera, but all you're going to do is just grab a piece of hair, braid the hair into your scalp just so you don't have to worry about the twist slipping out. And then once it's braided at the roots, connect it into a 2-strand twist. But yeah, this process is super easy, just tedious and time consuming. Like I said, for this process, I normally like to turn on my favorite creators and watch and catch up on their videos. But yeah, let's just continue on. So as you guys see, this hair is ombre, so I want to keep it that way. When I'm braiding this hair into my hair, I'm only braiding in this much, if that makes any sense. This is the amount of hair that I'm braiding into my hair because I want the ends to have that brown ombre effect. I'm going to show you more closely as I get to the front because the back, like I said, I'll just be free parting, so it's going to be much easier when I'm explaining at the front. Alrighty, this is the final look. I thought I was going to be finished by 12, but I actually finished exactly at 6 o'clock. So it's currently 6:09 and I love the outcome. I love this color on me. I love brown on brown. Like, it's just so adorable. I love the style that I did. I did mini twist all over my head, but only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 braids across the front part of my hair, just because I wanted to add a little spice to the mini twist hairstyle, because I literally do not like plain mini twist. Like, I like to do some type of style. I didn't want to do a braid style, so that's why I only did a little bit of braid. Gotta twist this. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know down below. This hair will be linked down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed spending some time with me. I haven't done a hair video in a while, so it was just nice to do this hairstyle with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check out QVR Hair. I love working with them. I love all of the hair that they send me, whether it's crochet hair, kinky, Afro bulk hair, which I use today. Overall, like I said in the voiceover, I love the overall quality of this hair. Like I said, it's 100% human hair. I love how it was easy for me to separate the hair. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Know that I love you, God loves you, and we will see you in our next. Bye bye.